Most people think you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a business. But what if I told you that AI can do most of the heavy lifting for free and the only thing you would spend is $17? Let me show you how simple this is. I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a brand name and tagline. I will just type, give me 5 business name ideas and a short tagline for a fitness gear brand. And in seconds, it gives me multiple names and taglines I could use for a real business. From here, you could use a free tool like Canva to create a quick logo or even use a simple website for that brand without spending a dime. And here's where that $17 comes in. I've dropped a link in the description to the AI Business Builder Challenge, which shows you exactly how to take these free tools and turn them into a real business in just 5 days. It's only $17 and it walks you through every single step so you're not just experimenting on your own. So, yes, you can start a business with AI and $17 you can start today. The link is in the description.